This is Toe Duck City in the north part of Ho Chi Minh City, Viet Nam. We're here on the river. And this is the ferry that crosses all day long back and forth. It takes motorbikes and people, passengers. We're gonna watch it here as the last vehicles and the last passengers embark, and it's gonna cast off and it's gonna take its little trip across the river. This is a work boat and it works all day long, 7 days a week here. This is in Viet Nam. Look at that. You hear that sound, that engine, the motor it makes? He's turning around right now, maneuver. Okay. Great job. And there goes the ferry. See you later, alligator. She's crossing the river like she does all day long, working. That's a workhorse boat. That's a real work boat here in Vietnam, folks. Crossing the river all day long, a vital link, a vital artery in the transportation system of Ho Chi Minh City, Toe Duck, Vietnam. 2023 November, day after Thanksgiving. It's Black Friday. See you later, alligator.